Hi guys, this is Ryan Blair from Halo Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you the fourth and final step of our Xerox Versant maintenance routine. And so this is going to be vacuuming up any toner that's left in and outside of the machine. So we store our vacuum in this cabinet here, as well as all the attachments. And so we're using the finest adapter that we have. And so the first place that we're going to clean is going to be where the cartridges actually go in, the toner cartridges. And so you basically just turn on your vacuum and just get all the little bits of toner that are in here. Okay, so that's good. And I'm also going to let you know not to use just your regular household vacuum or shop vac. The toner's so fine that it's just going to go through whatever filter you have in there. This has a special filter that's small enough to catch the toner debris, so that way you don't put it back out into the air. So the next spot that we're going to get is going to be where the drums are. I'm going to go ahead and open this. And as you can see, I've staged up a cart with a microfiber on it. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull out the drums one at a time to ensure that we really clean it properly. So we're just going to gently set our drum down. And now you can see there's a lot of residual toner left in there. So we're just going to go ahead and vacuum up what we can. Okay, so that's it for the drums. So next what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up this here. Now you're going to see there's a little bit of residual toner just kind of sporadically throughout. We're just going to get what we can. Be mindful of the mechanical and electrical parts in here. Alright. And now lastly, we're going to clean up any toner that's just on the inside of the door here, as well as on top of these drawers. And then you'll also want to get the floor as well. And that concludes the final step of the Xerox Versant maintenance schedule.